this one trimming this leaf especially for juice, and I'm going to show you how to make moringa juice. This is moringa tree, and these leaves I pluck it from here. Now after some time I will make you juice of moringa. I will give you the ideas how to make juice. Namaste, I am Hemantraj Kafle, Moringa Baba from Nepal. Today I am going to show you juice, how to make moringa leaf juice. For making moringa leaf juice, we need honey. Honey, it is for taste, and honey is very beneficial for health also. And I have one lemon, half lemon we must keep for 1 glass of water. And this is mint. Mint is also good herb medicine, medicinal herb we can say it. And for taste I have kept it. And if you have mint you can use. If you haven't, no necessary to keep this. And moringa leaves. Moringa leaves are very beneficial for health. It is miracle tree, and leaf we can get multivitamin. If we have planted one tree at our house, then we can get a lot of vitamins, minerals, and potassium, different types of nutrients we can get. More than 92 nutrients we can get on this leaf. So today I am going to teach you how to make moringa juice. And first of all, take out the leaf from these small petals. Now I am keeping it in grinder. No need to take this one, you can break it also, because grinder will grind it. And one question many people they ask me, that how much we will take in one time. And especially I have my testimony. For one person you can take out two twigs from moringa tree, and these two twigs contain 30 gram of moringa leaves. If you weight it all, then it is 30 gram. One person he can consume green leaf 30 gram, and if it is dried, then he must take 7 gram only, not more than that. If you take more, we may not digest, there will be problem in digestion. Neither, if 30 gram if you will take for one person, for 1 cup of moringa, it's very good. And I have kept their leaf, and now I'll put a cup of water. It's according to us how much we need. Yeah. Then half teaspoon of honey. It is honey, lemon, half lemon, and then mint also, little bit mint, especially for taste I have kept here. For 1 glass, 30 gram green leaf is sufficient. 30 gram. And look, my moringa juice is ready.